Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on TIA. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this breakout from this symmetrical triangle. And after that, you can see that the price then started a very massive rally and got stuck inside in another rising wedge pattern. Here we broke it down and now we are again trying to re-enter or almost re-enter the same rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared a few days ago on 2nd of November 2023 with my members. And this move has produced almost 130% pump so far. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared on 2nd of November 2023. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that TIA formed on a 2-hour time frame chart. And you can see this was our buying on starting from $2.28 and goes to $2.13. And this was a sell target zone, and our stop loss was below $2.13. And you can see that after the completion of this leg, it was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for some correction, and once it will be re-entered the buying zone, then we can buy it from here, and then we can expect another reversal and pump. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then once again dropped down, re-entered the buying zone, here, and then we had a price accumulation, a sideways move. Then we had a very, very massive price reversal, and so far it has rallied almost 130%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of TIA, and this is the 4-hour time frame chart. Let me just switch to the 4-hour time frame chart. This is the 4-hour. And previously you can see it was moving inside this symmetrical triangle. And when it was testing it here, the resistance of the triangle as a support, I was telling you that after this retest, we can expect a massive reversal. And you can see that it rallied very well, but recently it got stuck inside in another rising wedge pattern. That is, by the way, more visible on the 2-hour time frame chart. Therefore, I'm switching to the 2-hour. And here you can see that we had a fake out, but the price then re-entered the same rising wedge pattern and broke down the support, tested this support here at $4.21. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and now it worked as a support and re-entered the same rising wedge pattern. Now we have few more touch points here, therefore we cannot ignore these more touch points. And if I connect all these touch points using this trend line, then you can see that now we have this support of this rising wedge pattern here. And here we got the resistance, and right now you can see it is moving at this support and slightly above than this resistance of 5.91 cents that was previously breaking as a resistance, and now it is breaking as a support for the past several days. And this time, if the price moves up to hit the target to resistance of this rising wedge pattern, then the move can be here. That will be approximately at $6.82. And in case of breaking down this rising wedge pattern, the move to the downside can be here. That is approximately at $3.15. But before that, we have a quite strong support zone that starts from $2.21 and goes to $3.91. That was previously breaking as a resistance here and as a support here as well. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this rising wedge pattern, and I'm expecting that soon it can break out the resistance, and the target in case of breaking out can be here. If it will break it out from here, then the target can be approximately at $9. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.